Dear guests, we have landed at Narita International Airport. AirAsia welcomes you to Narita. The local time now is 3 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Melvin Alcarioto, First Officer, Yada Takahiro, cabin crew, Grace, Deza, Luis, and myself, Zane, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants who were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, kalalabag lang po natin sa Narita International Airport. Ang oras po ngayon ay 4 na minuto makalipas sa 10:10 ng umaga. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang eroplano hindi paganap na nakahinto at kayo nabigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuha ng anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog mula sa overhead compartment. Bago po kayo bumaba, tiyaking nasa inyo na ang lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Isang karangalan na kayo mapagsilbihan at inaasahan naming muli tayong magkikita sa inyong susunod na paglalakbay. Sa ngalan ng AirAsia ni Kapitan Melvin Alcarioto, unang opisyal Yada Takahiro at lahat ng aming mga kasama, kami po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. Para sa panauhing may dalang sanggol at ang bigyan ng infant life vest, mangyaring ibalik ang mga ito sa cabin crew bago kayo bumaba. Maraming salamat po. Once again, for safety reasons, all guests are required to remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the parking bay and the fasten seatbelt